A tile roof installed on top of shingles? Yes, and the homeowner didn't know. She contacted us because her 28-year-old tile roof was leaking in multiple areas. The system had reached the end of its service life and needed to be replaced. Once we removed the tile, we discovered the original shingle roof was still underneath. Surprise! The roofer never removed. Over time, that added weight and trapped moisture, damaging the wood deck and stressing the structure. We removed both roof layers, reinforced the framing, replaced the damaged decking, installed a high-performance waterproofing system, and completed the project with a properly engineered metal roof. This is why the company you choose matters. A roof replacement isn't just about installing something new. It's about who you trust with your home. Before replacing your roof, do your research and choose right.